Hi, Chris here with Simply NUC, and today I'm going to show you how to install a VESA mount plate for a 4x4 NUC. Let's get started. So the first thing you want to do is take your VESA mount plate. It's going to come with two different types of screws. These screws go in the NUC. They're how you mount it to the plate. And these screws are only if you're going to be mounting it to an extension plate on the back of a monitor or to the back of a monitor. So we'll set these aside. And the first thing we'll do is we'll take the NUC and we're going to install the screws on the bottom. There should be two holes on the back of your NUC, here and here. And you just insert the screws and twist them in. And they don't have to be over torqued, just tight enough so that they're not going to go anywhere. All right, there you go. So once you have these two screws installed, you're ready to install the VESA mount plate on the wall. So the first thing you want to do is you want to pick your spot on the wall. We're going to put ours right here. Now, when you're mounting it, you want to also check that it's level, because you don't want a crooked nook. So we're just going to check to make sure that this is level very quickly. All right. There we go, that looks good. All right, so now that we have our spot picked out, what we're gonna do is we're gonna drill into the wall. So we're gonna be using these little drywall screws. You can pre-drill holes, put anchors in, whatever you want, but typically NUCs only weigh about 4 or 5 pounds, so you don't necessarily need to overkill it. As you can see, we put the holes in the 4 inner circles. It doesn't matter which 4 holes you use. These other holes, again, are for when you're mounting it to a bracket extension for the back of a monitor. This is a Simply NUC universal mount, and so you can mount it however you like. You can mount it vertically, like this, or you can mount it sideways in whichever direction that you want. And that's how you mount a 4x4 VESA mount plate. Thank you again for choosing Simply NUC.